Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan, so ang link nasa description at sa pinned comment. I-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay. Capricorn, what's up? Capricorn. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Cups. Okay, meron ditong situation that you are moving away from. Meron kang iiwasan, aalisan na situation, change, pagbabago, shift ng energies mo. Ito yung mga pwedeng matagal mo na itong pinag-iisipan. If you are going to let go of this situation, can be a career, a relationship, or a business. Maaring ngayong June, you will realize, okay, masyado nang, there's a lot of things going on. Minsan kasi, marami tayong mga kinukuhang responsibilities na hindi naman pala natin kayang i-handle, no? So, maaring ngayong June, magbabawas ka ng mga responsibilities na yan para mas makagaan-gaan sa iyong pakiramdam. The Death card. Transformation. Endings and new beginnings. I feel like there is a new source of income na i-explore mo ngayong June. Pag-aaralan mo muna to. This can be anything. Pwedeng business, trabaho, or investment. Okay. Let's see the overall energy is the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, this is your energy. Someone who's very responsible in terms of yung finances, no? Yung mga financial responsibility mo sa mga mahal sa buhay mo, mga sa trabaho mo. This is also a nurturing energy. So, kumbaga, if you are, kung nag-aalala ka kung kaya mo bang mapanindigan yung mga responsibilidad mo, yes, kaya mong panindigan. And, yun nga lang, maaring may mga pagbabago kang gagawin para mas maging madali sa'yo na i-handle. Okay? You have the Star as your challenge, which is inspiration. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro, ngayong June, parang feeling nyo, mawawalan kayo ng gana, parang naghahanap kayo ng motivation, inspiration, and sa totoo lang, hindi naman yan hinahanap sa iba. Oo, dapat nagsisimula yan sa'yo, sa sarili mo. Dahil kung sa iba yan nakadepende, paano kung wala yung taong yon, 'di ba? Anything can change. And kung wala yun, di wala ka na, wala nang motivation sa'yo, 'di ba? So it has to come from within yourself. Okay? So, your opportunity is the Strength card. Lakas ng loob, tibay ng dibdib. And your courage, no? To be in control, to be on top of your game. I think you also have the opportunity na ma-resolve yung mga problema or challenges na kakaharapin mo. Oo. Ang importante is, andyan yung lakas. Oo. Kumbaga, alam mo na may mga pagkakataon, mabigat yung dadalhin mo, magaan. It doesn't matter kasi alam mo na sapat yung lakas mo para buhatin yon. Okay? And then your blessing is the Ace of Pentacles. There is a new opportunity talaga. Ewan ko kung ano to sa inyo, Capricorn. This can mean a new business venture. Pwedeng bagong pag-aaralan mo para mag-earn ka ng bagong, mag-earn ka ng money, new source of income. Pwedeng investment mo to, no? Meron kang binili, tapos yung binili mo na yun, gagamitin mo para kumita ng pera. Example, bumili ka ng ice cream machine. So, syempre, pag binili mo yung ice cream machine, hindi naman yun kikita on its own, 'di ba? Na, ayan, pagkabili mo, may kita ka na. Nasa sayo yan kung gagamitin mo yung machine na yon to earn money. So, syempre, kasama pa rin yung effort dyan. Okay? You have to do the effort. So, sa money, career, finances, alam nyo, I feel like meron kayong ilo-let go na trabaho, career, business, no? Na maaring you will feel sad about it. Maaapektuhan ka pa rin emotionally. But sa tingin ko, it is meant to happen. Maaring there's too much stress in that situation, in that career, in that business, in that investment, na willing ka na i-let go. With the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like pinaghandaan mo naman to. Oo. Ito yung tipong, let's say, meron kang 5 sources of income. So, bago ka mag-let go nung 2, meron ng kapalit yon. You get what I mean? So, there are some potentials, no, sa mga nasimulan mo in the past na ngayong June, makikita mo na yung resulta niyan. Okay? But something has to end, something has to be let go of. So, sa iyong love life, you have the Ace of Wands, the Emperor, 5 of Wands. Pwede magkaroon ng power struggle sa relationship ninyo if you are connecting with someone. Meron ditong gustong masunod. Pwedeng ikaw to, na gusto mong ikaw yung masunod. At yung person mo, ganun din. Medyo matigas rin yung ulo kapareho mo. Kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng conflict. So, pagdating sa ganito kasi, mahirap pag pareho kayong gusto nyong pareho kayong alpha, no? Pareho kayong may pagka, ang tawag doon, dominante. Oo. So, kapag ganyan, kung magpapatuloy yung relationship nyo na gano'n, pwedeng mauwi yan sa mas malaking problema in the future. So, ngayon pa lang, ayusin nyo na kung sino talaga yung masusunod, no? Ano naman yan compromise agreement. With the Ace of Wands, may new beginning. So, if you're single, possible na you will meet someone na meron ka makikilala through travel, no? Sa pagta-travel mo. Sa una, pwedeng itong person na to ay hindi mo gusto or hindi ka rin niya gusto, but eventually, something happened na madidevelop yung inyong connection. Pwedeng nakilala mo na siya before, tapos ngayon, you will realize na parang, may spark. May spark na pala kayo. Oo. Let's see what else. Capricorn. You have the moon. Ang moon, it symbolizes your emotions. This is also your devotion, no? Devotion mo sa pamilya mo, sa mahal sa buhay mo, sa career mo. I think ngayon, kung saan ka mas masaya, saan ka mas fulfilled, nandoon yung attention na ibibigay mo. And moon is also about your loyalty sa isang tao. So, you will be loyal to someone or loyal to your career, kung ano man yung source of income mo. You also have the wind. Meron talaga kayong i-let go, Capricorn. Because the wind is about releasing stuck energy, cleansing. Oo. So, maaring ngayong June, you will perform cleansing rituals or, pwedeng meron kayong decluttering, no? Pagtatanggal ng mga bagay na hindi nyo na ginagamit sa bahay, pwedeng ibebenta nyo or ipapamigay, i-donate. Kasi yung mga ganyan, sabi nga nila, kapag daw ang isang bagay, 6 months mo nang hindi ginagamit, most likely, hindi mo na gagamitin yun. So, it's either ibenta mo kung okay pa, functional pa, or ipamigay mo. You have sage. Oh, sage. Sage is cleansing as well, purification, grounding. So, maaring ngayong June, mas makakabuti sa inyo na lagi kayong nag-ground or parang lagi kayong nagre-release ng nega energies, lalo na kung meron kayong mga pagdadaan ng challenges especially sa career ninyo, no? Or sa finances ninyo, para mabawasan yung stress or level of frustration ninyo. Nakakatulong yan. Yung kahit na maglakad-lakad ka sa park ng nakayapak ka, hindi sa semento ha, yung mismong grass, yung mismong lupa, no? Kasi yun yung grounding na spot para sa'yo to, connect with earth. And through that, marirelease mo yung nega energies at marireplenish yan. And that could bring more opportunity sa'yo, no? Dahil nakapag-release ka na ng anything na mga stuck energy that is no longer serving your highest good. Self-worth, focusing on yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Why settle for crumbs when you deserve a whole meal? Yan, hindi ka magtsatsaga sa mga tira-tira lang kasi alam mo kung ano yung dine-deserve mo. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin, di ba? Space. The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. Give yourself the gift of space. So, maaring yun nga, anything that is no longer working for you, you're going to release that para mag-invite ka ng bagong energies, bagong opportunities to come into your life. Let's see what else. Wow! Ito hinihintay nyo, Capricorn. Dollars, abundance. Yes, you have abundance coming in ngayong June. As long as you're willing to do the work, diba? Being a thoughtful steward for the money you already have is the secret to creating more abundance. When you trust yourself to handle more, that's when more shows up. Talagang maganda yung message nito, no? Kung ikaw raw ay responsible in handling your abundance, your money, your blessings, the more abundance and blessings ay darating sa'yo. Okay? So, yung iba, this is about helping others as well, sharing your blessings dahil you will be more blessed when you share your blessings. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!